Okay, brilliant fail number 27. So these switches do those 6 hues where another switch just does the one above the fireplace, and then there's one behind that you can't quite see. Okay, and I'm sliding and nothing. But we'll pull out the power and push it back in. Okay, so power, as you can see, the light's all off. And we'll push it back in, and ba-boom, the lights go on. Okay, so now let's see. No control. No control. You can see they're still on. Here, let me do this again. 1, 2, 3, all slid down, and the lights are still on. Again, great concept. If they worked, it'd be even better.